Hi YouTube, and welcome to my channel, So Fast Die Young. My name is Morgan, and I am your friendly neighborhood costume sorceress. In this video, I am planning to go over just basically how to do some French seams. I'm going to take this lovely moss green dye and dye this very loved dingy ghee. This is a technique that I used all the time at the theater that I used to work at because it's a very easy and quick way to do pleats. So pretty. I'm about to cut out a ham and a sausage roll. I'm here to teach you all about sewing, dyeing, painting, and other costume crafts that I've been doing for the past 20-some years. I hope you all take away some interesting knowledge and that we have a lot of fun here on this channel. Some of the video is not great. I made fun of myself a lot in it. Yeah.